Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold, workbook, unit 9, page number 151. Read the story. Here a story given that we have to read. So let's read. A hare and a tortoise were friends. The hare could run very fast, but the tortoise walked very slowly. So the hare always teased the tortoise about it. One day the hare said, "You walk so slowly. See how fast I can run." So here, as you can see in this picture, a tortoise and a hare were friends, and now they want to see how fast a hare can run. Okay, so let's see. The tortoise was angry. "I can defeat you in a race. Are you ready?" The hare was surprised. "Ha ha ha." He laughed loudly. "You will lose the race." "No," said the tortoise. "I am sure I can defeat you." So they decided to have a race. The one who reached the finish point first would be the winner. On the day of the race, many animals and birds gathered to see the race. The fox was the referee. He shot a pistol. In the air, and the race began. The hare began to run fast. The tortoise started walking slowly. All the animals and birds laughed loudly. The fox said, "Hey tortoise, this is a race. Start running fast or the hare will win the race." The tortoise began to walk a little faster. He walked at a slow but steady pace. The hare was running very fast. He was tired, so he stopped for some time. He turned around to look for the tortoise, but the tortoise was nowhere to be seen. So he thought, "The tortoise cannot win this race. He is still quite far behind. I will start running only after I see him. I will reach the finish point quickly and win the race. Let me rest under a tree for some time." Soon the hare fell asleep. As you can see in this picture, he fell asleep. Meanwhile, the tortoise walked slowly and steadily. Soon he passed by the sleeping hare. Now he was walking much ahead. The tortoise saw the ribbon in the distance. It was the finish point. The tortoise started walking fast. He reached the finish point. All the animals and birds started clapping. The hare heard the loud clapping. He woke up and began to run fast, but the tortoise had won the race. Okay, understand? Now you all have to read this story. Okay, now write who said to whom. Here are some sentences given from this story. So now we have to find that the sentence who said to whom. So you walk so slowly. So who said this? Yes, the hare said. The hare said to the tortoise. Second one, "I can defeat you in a race." So answer is the tortoise said to the hare. Then you will lose the race. You will lose the race. So who said to whom? So the hare said to the tortoise. And last one, start running fast for the hare will win the race. Start running fast or the hare will win the race. So this sentence who said to whom? Yes, the fox said to the tortoise. Again, you walk so slowly. So hare said to the tortoise, "I can defeat you in a race." So the tortoise said to the hare, "You will lose the race." The hare said to the tortoise, "And start running fast or the hare will win the race." So the fox said to the tortoise. Okay. Now this work and this story you have to practice to read it. Okay. Thank you.